Want to get your website online fast? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Bluehost account in minutes, no confusion, no tech headaches. I'll also be giving you an exclusive Bluehost discount that gets you up to 70% off hosting, plus a free domain name. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click the link in the description to go to Bluehost and grab your exclusive deal, up to 70% off plus your free domain. Just a quick disclosure, this is an affiliate link, which means I'll earn a commission at no extra cost to you, plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to Bluehost. Click Get Started Now. You'll see several hosting plans you can choose from. The starter plan is great for beginners. This plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The business plan is good for growing sites. This plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, ideal for 200,000 website visits per month, phone support, malware detection and removal, domain privacy free for the first year, and daily website backups free for the first year. The e-commerce essentials plan is good for online stores. This plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month. Built-in secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, support for subscriptions, memberships, and paid courses, launch an affiliate program, create custom email templates, and offer easy social logins for your customers. Pick the plan that works best for you. For this tutorial, I'll be going with the starter plan. Next, you'll choose your domain name, which is your website's address, like yourname.com. Bluehost includes a free domain for the first year, so type in your desired name. You can choose a domain extension you'd like, and click the Search for Domain to check availability. If you already have a domain name, enter it in the section that says, I want to use a domain I already own. Not ready to choose a domain yet? Just click the Choose Domain Later link, and you'll still get your free domain and can pick it from your Bluehost dashboard. You'll see an option for domain privacy plus protection. I highly recommend keeping this selected. It keeps your personal information private, so spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your email or phone. By default, when you register a domain, your information is added to the public WHOIS database, which is required by domain regulations. With domain privacy plus protection, Bluehost contact information is displayed instead of yours, keeping you safe and private. Now you'll be on the cart page. Here you can see your hosting plan, and from the drop-down, you can select the term for your purchase. Choosing the 3-year term gives you the lowest pricing. You'll see Data Center. If you click the pencil icon, from the drop-down, you can select the data center you'd like to use. Next, you'll see the add-ons. All these are optional, so if you don't want any, just click the trash can icon to remove them. The professional email add-on gives you an email address with your domain name, plus a custom inbox. Add security, synced contacts and calendars, file sharing via Drive, task management, and access to a full suite of productivity tools. That said, Bluehost already includes free email addresses with your domain, so this add-on is only necessary if you want all the extra features of professional email. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. Then enter your contact and account information, choose your payment method, and fill in your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. Bluehost will email you a receipt, and you'll be taken to a thank you page while your hosting account finishes setting up. And that's it. You now know exactly how to create your Bluehost account and get started with your website in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial like this. Also, check the description below for a link to Bluehost along with an exclusive Bluehost discount so you can save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy building!